Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are looking at another LeetCode question, which is robot return to origin. Now what this question says is we have a robot which is starting at a position 0, 0, and we can assume that to be a 2D plane. Okay, so I have a 2D plane in which robot is starting say from this position. Now what we need to say is after given sequence of moves, robot and just that if the robot ends up at 0, 0 position. Okay, so this moves is represented by left, right, up, down, and we need to return true if it returns to origin. If returns to false, then if it is not doesn't, then return false. And which way that robot is facing doesn't matter. So for example, if you're given up and down, that means if I go up and I go down, that means I am back to origin. So I have to return true. Okay, I think the question is fairly simple. Now what we need to see is that if I am at a given position, say at this position, if I go up, I went up, then if I said left, left, up again, right, right, and say down and down. So what we did is up, left, up, right, down, down, right. I'm back to origin. In this case I'll return true, right. And say if this was say left, left, then I would have moved left and then another left, right. So if this is a 1, I would move 2. I never returned back to origin, so I have to return false. Okay, now one thing with this pictorial view, right, is very straightforward. Is if I am going towards the right, if I am going toward the right, I need to come back. I need to come back with the left. So left should always be followed by right, or right should always be followed by left. Similarly, if I am going up, I need to come down, and if I'm going down, I need to come up, right? So what we can do is we can always track that whether if I'm going up, then do I have a down or not. So we'll have a pointer that okay, if I what we'll do, right? What we'll do is we'll have a pointer which will say add 1 if goes up and -1 if goes down, right. And if ultimately this pointer is 0, then we are good. Similar for left, right, right. So let's start coding and then see. I think post that it will become fairly easy. So I have an up and I have a down. Okay, I have up down uh, index, right, pointer. So this is starting assuming that my robot is in origin, and my left, right is also at origin, right. Now what we are going to say is for each value, for each you can say um, sequence, right, in the moves, for each move in the moves, right. What we're going to say is if my current move is a left, right, I'll do left, right, minus minus. I move towards left, right. Else if my move is double equal to right, considering I did a minus there, I'll do a left, right, plus plus, because I came back to the position. Similarly, if my move is double equal to up, I'll say okay, up, up, down, plus plus. Similarly, the last option, last uh, move is my down position, so I'll do up, down, minus minus. So once I am done with all the operations, if my left, right, right is double equal to 0 and my up down is double equal to 0, I should return true. This is what the statement will do. If not, then it will automatically return false. Let's run this code. It got accepted. So this is it. The time complexity for this one will be O of n, where n is the number of moves. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Please, if you liked this explanation, please go ahead, like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot.